Have you ever gone on a ride and felt every single bump, every vibration, every crack in the road? By the end, your arms are tired, your back hurts, and instead of enjoying the ride, you're just trying to finish it. The truth is, it's not your bike, it's your suspension. And today, I'm going to show you how upgrading your full suspension system, front, rear, and even your seat post, can completely transform your riding experience. Most cyclists focus on speed, weight, or gears. But the real secret to better performance and comfort is suspension. Because good suspension absorbs shocks and vibrations, improves control and stability, reduces fatigue on long rides, and makes every ride smoother and more enjoyable. Whether you're riding trails, roads, gravel, or even snow, this matters more than you think. Let's start with the rear shock, the foundation of stability. First, the lockable air rear shock, 200 millimeters. This one is perfect if you want adjustability and versatility. Air pressure tuning based on your weight, rebound damping control, and a lockout function for climbing efficiency. So you can go from smooth climbing to aggressive downhill riding in seconds. Next, the CNC hydraulic rear shock, 200 millimeters by 750 pounds. This is built for tougher conditions. A strong hydraulic damping system, high durability CNC construction, and perfect for mountain bikes and e-bikes. If you ride harder trails or need more support, this is a solid upgrade. Now let's move to the front, where you feel most of the impact. First, the 20-inch fat tire air suspension fork, with 180 millimeters of travel. This is ideal for extreme terrains, like snow, sand, and beach riding. It's perfect for fat tire bikes and e-bikes, and that massive 180 millimeters of travel gives you maximum absorption. Plus, the manual lockout gives you control when you're riding on flat surfaces. Then we have the MTB suspension fork with 120 millimeters of travel for 26, 27.5, and 29-inch bikes. This is a great all-around option, made from lightweight aluminum alloy, and it comes with a crown lockout system. It's perfect for cross-country and trail riding, and it really balances comfort and efficiency perfectly. And if you're looking for a simple but effective upgrade, the Bucklos MTB suspension fork with 100 millimeters of travel is a solid choice. It's reliable and budget-friendly, gives you smooth performance for moderate terrain, and is ideal for beginners or casual riders. Honestly, it's a huge improvement over rigid forks. Now here's something most riders ignore, but really shouldn't: your seat post. Because a good suspension seat post can dramatically reduce pressure and fatigue. First, the spring suspension seat post. Simple, effective comfort, with multiple size options and a built-in spring system. It's perfect for commuting or long rides, and you'll feel the difference immediately. Then, the Redshift Shock Stop suspension seat post. This is premium level comfort, designed for road, gravel, hybrid, and e-bikes. It's got advanced shock absorption technology and delivers a smooth ride without losing pedaling efficiency. It's ideal for endurance riders. And finally, for performance riders, the 𝐸𝐴 Manic Dropper seat post. This one's all about control, with adjustable height on the go, internal cable routing, and travel options up to 200 millimeters. It's perfect for MTB and technical terrain where positioning really matters. When you combine a quality rear shock, a responsive front fork, and a suspension seat post, you don't just upgrade your bike, you upgrade your entire riding experience. More comfort, more control, more confidence, and honestly, way more fun. If you want to upgrade your bike and feel the difference on your very next ride, click the link below this video. You'll find all these suspension components available on the official site, ready to match your bike and your riding style. Don't wait until your next uncomfortable ride. Upgrade today and ride better tomorrow. And if you enjoyed this video, click on the video, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel for more tips, upgrades, and the best cycling gear.